sun's on the wold, and the night is a cold. The Thames runs chill twixt mead and hill, but kind and dear is the old house here, and my heart is warm midst winter's harm. Rest then, and rest, and think of the best twixt summer and spring, when all birds sing in the town of the tree, and ye lie in me, and scarce dare move, lest earth and its love should fade away ere the full of the day. I am old and have seen many things that have been, both grief and peace, and wane and increase. No tale I tell of ill or well, but this I say, night treadeth on day, and for worst and best, right good is rest.